In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the classic customer account pages in Shopify. We'll walk through this step by step so you can give your customers a more on-brand and professional experience when they log into their accounts. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're in, look down to the lower left corner and click on Settings. Inside the Settings area, check the left-hand panel and find the Customer Accounts option. Go ahead and click that. Here, make sure that you've selected the standard customer accounts option and not the legacy version. This ensures you're editing the classic experience that Shopify currently supports. Once that's set, you can exit out of settings. Now, back on the main admin dashboard, look again at the left-hand side and click on Online Store. At the top of this page, you'll see your current theme. On the right side of that theme, click the Edit Theme button. This will open the theme editor, where you'll be doing all your visual customizations. Inside the theme editor, look toward the top for the page selector. It's usually set to homepage by default. Click this drop-down, and from the list of options, choose Checkout and Customer Accounts. By default, this will open the Checkout page editor first. That's fine. Click the page selector again, and this time choose Profile. Now you'll be viewing and editing the customer account profile page. You'll notice that the editing and styling options here are very similar to what you see for the checkout page. The main difference is that the live preview on the right side is now showing the customer's profile layout instead of the checkout flow. Let's start customizing. In the left panel, look for the logo section and click Add Image next to it. A pop-up will appear, allowing you to select an existing logo from your Shopify files, or you can click Add File to upload one from your computer. Once you've chosen your logo, click Done. You can then choose the logo alignment, such as left, center, or right, and pick the logo position in the checkout form area, in the order summary area, or full width across the top. Next, adjust your background. Find the section labeled Background 2. Click Add Image to select a background image, or click Add File to upload a new one, then click Done. If you'd rather use a solid color instead of an image, use the color drop down under Background 2. In Background 2, this opens a color picker where you can choose any color that fits your brand. In this same area, you can also customize accent colors, button colors, error message colors, field backgrounds, and card backgrounds to create a coherent look. Under typography, you'll be able to change the fonts used for headings and for body text. Choose styles that match your storefront theme so the customer account pages feel consistent with the rest of your site. When you're happy with your choices, take a final look at the preview on the right to make sure everything looks the way you want. If it does, go to the top right corner of the editor and click Save. Your customized classic customer account pages are now live for your shoppers.